25% of your team's day. Gone. Searching for files that already exist. Here is what that actually costs you. Today, we are showing real estate media teams exactly how AI auto-tagging eliminates the folder chaos and gets the right asset in front of the right person in seconds. Here is the situation inside most real estate media agencies right now. A photographer delivers 800 shots. A videographer drops 60 gigabytes of B-roll into a shared drive. Someone labels a folder final_v3_final use this and calls it a day. 2 hours later, a team member is still hunting for the hero. Kitchen shot the client approved last week. AI flips this entirely. Upload the shoot, search chef kitchen sunset light, find it in 60 seconds. That is the transformation we are talking about. Research is consistent on this. Marketing teams lose between 20 and 30% of productive time searching for content that already exists. For a billing team, that is not an efficiency problem. That is a revenue problem. Let's look at the actual solutions, from a free starting point all the way up to enterprise-grade platforms. Before you spend $1 on software, start here. This prompt builds a complete tagging taxonomy for your agency in under a minute. You paste it into ChatGPT, and you get back a spreadsheet-ready CSV with tags for property type, room type, time of day, mood, agent name, MLS number, and content format. For a solo agent or small boutique team, applying this framework manually to your existing library can cut search time dramatically at zero cost. It also gives you a clean metadata structure you can import directly into any paid platform later. Think of AI media management as a ladder. At the foundation, a free ChatGPT taxonomy gets your naming convention straight. One level up, Pix.io gives growing agencies affordable AI auto-tagging connected to drives they already use. Above that, Bender serves brand-focused teams managing multiple clients and channels. At the top, MediaValet handles enterprise-scale brokerages and national franchise brands with thousands of assets and hundreds of users. Pix.io is the natural first paid step for a growing property photography team. At $100 a month, it connects directly to Google Drive or Amazon S3, so your team is not migrating assets to yet another system. Upload 500 photos from a Scottsdale luxury listing, and Pix.io's AI automatically recognizes objects like swimming pools, open kitchens, hardwood floors, and mountain views, tagging them without any manual input. Facial recognition identifies specific agents across thousands of headshots. 60 seconds after upload, you can search Sunset Patio and find exactly what you need. For brand-focused agencies managing multiple real estate clients across different markets, Bender adds a capability that Pix.io does not have: dynamic asset transformation. Your team uploads the master photo or video once. Bender automatically resizes and reformats it for every channel, whether that is an MLS portal, Instagram, a client email campaign, or a digital billboard. For a commercial real estate firm with offices in multiple cities, that means brand consistency across every platform without a designer touching each file individually. Trusted by over 3,700 brands worldwide. Bender's reach in the enterprise DAM market tells you something important about where the industry is heading. Now let's look at what enterprise scale looks like when you have hundreds of agents and thousands of assets to manage. MediaValet is built for real estate organizations operating at national scale. It runs exclusively on Microsoft Azure, making it the most secure option for large brokerages and franchise brands. But the standout feature for video-heavy teams is video intelligence. MediaValet creates searchable transcripts from your video content, so your team can search a spoken phrase like waterfront access or no HOA and instantly surface the exact clip where the agent said it on camera. For a regional franchise managing media for 200 agents across 15 offices, every user accesses one secure shared library simultaneously with no additional per-seat fees. Search what your agent said on camera. Find the clip in seconds. That changes everything about how video-heavy teams produce content. Here is how the three platforms stack up side by side across the criteria that matter most to a real estate media team. Pix.io wins on accessibility and price for growing agencies. Vendor leads on multi-brand management and dynamic formatting. Media Valet is the clear choice when scale, security, and video intelligence are non-negotiable. Before we close, let's clear up a few things operators tell themselves to avoid making this change. These beliefs are costing teams real money every week. Here is exactly how to get started this week, no matter the size of your team. The right AI media management solution depends on your team size, your client mix, and how much video your team produces. Start with the free ChatGPT taxonomy prompt right now. If you're ready to find out which paid platform fits your specific workflow, book a free 15-minute AI audit. You will walk away with a clear roadmap for cutting search time, recovering billable hours, and eliminating the folder chaos for good. And if you want to see more practical AI strategies for real estate media teams, subscribe so you do not miss next week's deep dive on AI-powered listing copy and campaign automation.